Best transmission additives reduce friction, improve lubrication, prevent wear, and ensure smoother gear shifts while extending overall transmission lifespan. My today's video is about top 5 best transmission additives for smooth shifts that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Triax Gear Premium LS80W90. This premium gear oil is engineered for drivers who demand reliability across a wide range of drivetrains. With the widest spec range on the market, it's compatible with numerous hypoid gear systems, differentials, transmissions, and axle assemblies, making it a versatile choice for mixed fleets and performance builds. Designed for severe service, it delivers exceptional shear stability and oxidation resistance, thanks to its advanced polyphosphate EP additive system that significantly outperforms conventional gear oils. The built-in limited slip additive eliminates the need for extra treatments, ensuring smooth, chatter-free operation even in limited slip differentials with wet brakes. Outstanding scuffing and wear protection safeguards gears and synchronizers, exceeding extreme pressure load stage 13 requirements for long-term durability. Its shear-stable formulation maintains viscosity under high loads and extreme temperatures, providing consistent film strength and helping extend transmission life under the harshest conditions. Now our second product is Lubigard's 63010 Platinum Automatic. This original universal ATF protectant is designed to simplify maintenance while maximizing transmission performance. By eliminating ATF confusion, it removes the need to stock multiple fluids, making it ideal for mixed vehicles and professional shops alike. Its advanced formula dramatically reduces friction and wear on metal components without disturbing the critical sulfur balance of your existing ATF. The additive prevents overheating, inhibits oxidation and foaming, and is completely safe for yellow metals. Powered by patented Senegal TMS technology, it tightens the shift cycle while maintaining proper friction at lockup, effectively eliminating shudder and hesitation. It also extends fluid change intervals by protecting and restoring seals, conditioning O-rings for optimal performance. Free from harmful additives like zinc or ash, it helps free stuck valves and keeps them operating smoothly, ensuring consistent, precise shifts and long-lasting transmission reliability. Our third product is Timino 3 PCS Catalytic Converter Cleaner. This catalytic converter cleaner offers an easy and effective way to restore engine efficiency without tools or professional service. Simply pour one bottle into the fuel tank during refueling to help the engine start easier and run smoother. Its advanced cleaning formula removes carbon buildup from the catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and cylinder heads, improving fuel efficiency and reducing harmful emissions. By optimizing combustion, it helps resolve common drivability issues such as rough idle, hesitation, power loss, hard starts, and declining fuel economy. Designed for convenience and safety, it works with gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and flex fuel vehicles without altering the fuel itself. There's no risk of leakage or evaporation, and no disassembly is required. Regular use can reduce costly maintenance by protecting the catalytic converter and exhaust system, extending their lifespan while keeping your vehicle performing at its best. Now number 4, Zato AMC Automatic Transmission. This transmission repair and conditioning solution is engineered to instantly restore smooth, reliable performance to your vehicle's transmission. It tackles common issues like slipping and shuddering, revitalizing your transmission for precise, responsive shifts. The advanced formula works at a surface level, replenishing worn components and fortifying critical surfaces, which enhances operational reliability while reducing noise, chatter, and vibration for a quieter, more comfortable drive. By addressing defects such as sticking gears and delayed shifts, it ensures your transmission operates at peak efficiency, preventing long-term damage and extending overall lifespan. Its friction-reducing properties improve gear engagement, making each shift smoother and more consistent, while minimizing wear under high-stress conditions. Ideal for vehicles experiencing early signs of transmission wear, this ATF protectant not only restores performance but also acts as a preventative measure, maintaining maximum protection and reliability. With regular use, it transforms rough, noisy shifting into a seamless, enjoyable driving experience, safeguarding your transmission investment for years to come. And our last choice is Z-Max Transmission Formula 2PK. The Z-Max Transmission Formula is a powerhouse solution for protecting and optimizing your vehicle's transmission. Its advanced microlubrication technology penetrates metal surfaces to reduce gear wear, prevent varnish buildup, and keep seals supple, eliminating leaks and enhancing smooth, precise shifting. By adding it to your transmission fluid, it restores performance, reducing slippage and rough shifts while improving response and overall drivability. The formula cleans varnish deposits, lubricates bearings, gears, and hydraulic components, and works seamlessly with both automatic and manual transmissions, excluding CVTs, all without voiding manufacturer warranties. Regular use during fluid changes provides economical preventative maintenance, keeping gears in top condition, extending transmission life, and improving fuel efficiency. Industry tested and mechanic trusted, Z-Max enhances every driving experience while safeguarding your investment. Proudly USA made and recognized as the official microlubricant of Speedway Motorsports, this formula ensures reliable performance, smooth operation, and long-lasting protection, making it an essential addition to any vehicle maintenance routine. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.